Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to clear Messenger's cache. First, open settings on your mobile phone and go and search apps, tap on apps. The settings will show you some options. Go ahead and tap on manage apps. Then scroll down until you see Messenger. You can just type in Messenger. Then you'll see three options on the bottom for stop, uninstall or clear data. Tap on clear data. Then you'll see two options, clear all data and clear cache. Go ahead and tap on the second option, clear cache. Then tap on OK. And that's it. Now you know how to clear Messenger's cache from your mobile phone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.